Hello and welcome to another video of Coffee and Stacks. In today's video, we're going to quickly talk about Workhorse and the incredible rise it had today. We also want to make sure why did they jump so high? I also want to mention that this week we are starting the giveaway of the e-gift card for one of the subscribers, so stay tuned for that information. Now, before we get started, how about we get some coffee? All right, so let's get one thing straight, and that I am not a financial advisor, so don't take my words as advice. Please don't forget to drop a like on this video as well as a subscribe. It really does go a long way in supporting the channel. And here is the information for the giveaway. I am giving away a $10 e-gift card to Amazon. And I know most of you are thinking, that isn't much for a giveaway. But as we keep increasing the subscribers, I will be doing more and keep increasing the amount on, as we go along the channel. So think about it this way. You're getting a $10 dividend from me for just being a subscriber. So all of you have to do is obviously be a subscriber, which helps me out by keeping track of who is eligible to win. But besides that, I post a video daily except on Saturdays. So on each video you have a chance to comment something, which that equals an entry. So at the end of the week I will be choosing a random winner. So good luck to everyone. All right, so let's talk about this Workhorse. And yeah, most of you will be thinking that I talk about Workhorse a lot, and let's be honest, we talk about huge potential growth stocks that can make us a lot of money. So we are definitely talking about Workhorse because they shot up like crazy today. And here, and this is the reason. The biggest news for Workhorse, because honestly we haven't had any news lately from it, but headline reads, Workhorse's stock jumps after strategic agreement with Hitachi. Workhorse was up around 7 to 8% pre-market, and then it completely shot up to around the price of $18.78. And not even gonna lie, that's when I tried to sell some of my shares to get profit. And for some reason Robinhood was being all sketchy, saying that they were super loaded, and it was still telling me that I could make some trades, but it didn't let me. And then when I was able to make a trade, it froze on me. And then when it came back up, the price had already dropped to like 17 cents. $17.15, which I didn't get much gains, but I was super livid that I didn't, I wasn't able to sell when it was at around $18.78. But let's keep reading on the news. It says shares of Workhorse Group Inc. Workhorse was, it jumped 2.8% in the pre-market trading Monday, which it was higher than that. I don't know why they say that, but after the electric van and drone maker announced strategic agreements with Hitachi America Ltd. to assess Workhorse's manufacturing and supply chain capabilities. The agreement will help Workhorse develop a national dealer network and support sales with vehicle financing options for dealers and customers. This alliance with Hitachi comes at an ideal time for Workhorse, as we value their best-in-class innovation and experience in ramping up production and enabling us in providing the complete solution to our customers. They said ramping up production, and we already know that they have a target manufacturing vehicles from 300 to 400 delivered by the end of this year, and that's compared to the 2 vehicles or 3 vehicles that they gave in first quarter, which is a huge increase. Now we do understand that Workhorse themselves can easily manufacture those 300 to 400 vehicles by the end of the year, but this deal agreement with Hitachi to increase their production can only mean that there is some kind of demand coming up pretty soon, which is great theoretical for all investors, but the demand is coming from somewhere that they know and we don't quite know yet, which is something to definitely think about. But we continue reading with the executive Dwayne Hughes. With Hitachi's innovation and invaluable expertise in EV technology, smart factory automation, and digital technologies, Workhorse is primed to build on our early leadership position as the only last mile EV distributor selling vehicles for commercial use across the country. So we pretty much have Hitachi helping out Workhorse with the plan to execute growth. Noticing something like this has me quite excited about the potential that Workhorse can have. And obviously, it's not just me. I'm pretty sure all kinds of investors are super excited about this. And obviously, this news in particular, since it's screaming out to everyone huge growth and huge gains. We also have here a Motley Fool stating that in addition, Hitachi Capital will help Workhorse build out a US dealership network and will provide financing to both its customers and new franchise dealers. Both Workhorse and Hitachi said that the deal would allow Workhorse to benefit from Hitachi's expertise in electric vehicles and highly automated manufacturing. And to those, and to take advantage of the Japanese company's existing financing capabilities, Workhorse CEO Dwayne Hughes said that Hitachi's capital's involvement could help convince fleet operators to place orders. Once again, demand. So, Dwayne Hughes is, taking advantage of different people, of different companies, so they're able to obviously persuade others to place order, which creates more demand for them to build, which then creates huge gain for us because the stock price will go up. Hitachi's US chief also noted that this company will help provide a charging network and digital tools to help Workhorse commercial customers manage their fleets. Big news for everyone that is invested in Workhorse, but other than that, we have a lot of things happening to Workhorse. And we have to make sure we read the fine print and we do look at the future and its absolute growth that Workhorse will have with the contract with USPS and whatnot. We have demand from other companies. We have the USPS contract. It's just huge demand that Workhorse would have. So pay attention to that and make sure you put that in your calendars just to always check on Workhorse. Because, $18 is super cheap compared to, let's say, if they jump to like $50, $60. Huge gains. Anyway, that was the end of the video. Hopefully you guys liked it. Big news for Workhorse and its production and potential growth that will happen very soon. Don't forget to like this video as well as subscribe, because honestly it really does go a long way. And don't forget about the giveaway that started today with this video. Comment below, be a subscriber, it does help, and you are able to win the $10 gift card for Amazon, thanking you guys as subscribers. So comment below if there's any other topic you want me to make a video about. But until then, see you next time on Coffee and Stocks.